Today I am reviewing the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what sets this Shark model apart. Matrix clean navigation. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that move randomly or in basic patterns, the AV2501S cleans in a precise matrix grid, making multiple passes over your floors to ensure nothing is left behind. Whether it's fine dust, pet hair, or larger debris, the vacuum doesn't just skim over the surface, it deep cleans with intent. And that's backed by incredible suction power. Shark is well known for their powerful motors, and this model is no exception. It cleans effectively on all floor types: hardwood, tile, laminate, and carpet, tackling everything from day-to-day dust to the kind of messes that build up over time. If you've got pets or kids, this vacuum doesn't flinch. It handles the job with ease. One of the most convenient and impressive features is the self-emptying base. Yes, this vacuum empties itself. The bagless base can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris, so you don't have to think about emptying it daily. Plus, it features True HEPA filtration, which captures up to 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns. That's a huge win for allergy sufferers or pet owners dealing with dander and hair. The navigation is smart, really smart. With 360-degree LiDAR mapping, the AV2501S quickly scans and maps your home to build a layout that's accurate and efficient. This mapping allows the vacuum to clean methodically, avoid obstacles, and even adapt to changes in your home, whether it's furniture being moved, toys on the floor, or nighttime lighting. It works equally well in the day or dark, meaning it doesn't need ideal lighting conditions to get the job done. For pet lovers, this vacuum is especially useful. The powerful suction, paired with Shark's self-cleaning brush roll, picks up fur, dander, and debris without getting tangled up or losing performance. Add in the HEPA filter, and you got a vacuum that not only keeps your floors clean, but also improves the air quality in your home. You can also control this vacuum completely hands-free. Whether you want to start a cleaning cycle, schedule regular cleanings, or trigger on-demand cleaning, you can do it with your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Or, if you prefer, you can use the SharkClean app for full control from your smartphone. Battery life is another highlight. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, the AV2501S can clean most homes in a single run. But even if it runs low on power, the recharge and resume feature ensures it will return to the dock, recharge, and then continue where it left off. No supervision needed. All in all, the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum is built for people who want a deep clean with zero effort. It's ideal for pet owners, families, busy professionals, and anyone who wants to keep their home spotless without lifting a finger. With powerful suction, smart navigation, hands-free control, and self-emptying convenience, this robot vacuum is more than just helpful. It's game-changing. Whether you're upgrading from manual vacuum or replacing an older robot model, this is a premium choice that delivers reliable, intelligent cleaning day in and day out.